Hurricane Horse last spin bonus. It's the mighty feature, which is the lesser of the bonuses, but $4.40 bet on nickels. Come on, baby. Horses, yes. Last spin bonus. $50 on the first spin. Hurricane Horse, give me those red coins. Extra games, come on. No. Little $3 win there. Where are my extra games? All right, we have 3 more spins unless we get extra ones. Come on. Oh, we can't get that to give an extra game. Oh, we've got 2 more. Come on! Horse! Yes! Just like that, I've recovered my $100 bill. We still have 1 free game to go. Alright, red coins. Let's get extra games. Let's keep this going. Come on, baby. Extra. Well, we got the horse again. Thank you, Hurricane Horse. Last spin bonus is $147.05. All right. Well, we'll see if I can't come on back and get something else. Matt Bailey plays the slots. Point combo, Hurricane Horse. I got the blue and the green pots to close at the same time, giving me a super feature. So I have 7 to 12 miles added on every spin. $1.76 is the bet, 2 cent credits. Here we go. Come on. Oh no, it didn't connect in here. All right, you need to do better than that one. Come on. Oh, nothing? That's even worse. All right, a little better. We haven't had any of the coin things to give extra games or chance of closing that red pot up there. Come on, I need extra. Hey, there's good. $17.60. Thank you. That's a good spin. Doubled my money. Come on, extra game. 2 extra games. Nice. That's what we needed. Right. More extra games. Come on, baby. Ooh, look at all the horses. More than $20 on the horses. Extra games to play. Maybe we'll get more. $100 so far. Nice. This is my very first game tonight. That looks really good. Nice. That's a $40 spin. Too bad we didn't get any of the extra game symbols. The 12, that's the maximum wild. Alright, we have 1 more spin. Getting close to big win territory. Extra gain, got him. The win isn't very big, but 2 extra games are probably more important. Thank you. Horse! Oh, it didn't connect. Oh, that's the worst. This little codger just, I couldn't tell what he was saying. Last spin, come on, extra game, extra game. All right, that's the end of the bonus, but it's really nice. It's close. I'm not sure it's gonna make it to big win, which would be 176. $170.04. That is very nice. Start my evening with this great bonus. Thank you. I'm up $150. I'll try the horse a little bit more here. Maybe she has more in her. I'll be back maybe with another bonus on Hurricane Horse. Stay tuned. I like this game. Coin combo, Hurricane Horse, and oh my gosh, I just hit the mega feature. I got all 3 coins, all 3 pots closed on a $4.40 bet on nickel. So as we start out, I'm going to win one of these prizes. All right, I want to get that because that'll knock out the mini for 50 bucks and I'm guaranteed the next level. All right, there's 2. I need 1 more. Come on. Oh, give me this thing. Yes. Okay, the mini is gone. All right, so I can win a double grand, a grand, a major, or the minor. Give me the major or the grand or the double grand. It's this one right here. Oh, I thought I won it. Oh my God. I thought I just hit the double grand. Oh my gosh. Okay, which one to go? It's predetermined. All right, we got the minor, $225. Thank you, and we still get the, whatever, the ultimate feature. Thank you. Oh, boy, but that major would have been great, wouldn't it? 2,100. And look, double grand awards grand plus grand reset amount. I mean, good grief. Basically winning 2 grands. I thought I had it too when I picked it because I thought I was down to the last thing where I win whatever I'm going to pick. But unfortunately, it snuck that in on me. I had a heart attack. Wow, this is great. I really just sat down. I put in my $100 bill. About 5 spins in, I get the mega feature. Here we go. Blue, green, and red. Okay, ultimate feature. We get 7 to 12 wilds on every spin. The little red coin can give us more games. We want to get tons of those. We're at 228 already. Here we go. Where are the coins? Okay, we got a ton of horses. These are nickels. $27 on the horse, $9 on the medallion thing. Come on, we need the extra games. Oh, we got all 12. We got all 12 wilds. That is a big win. $16 on the horse, $60 on the medallion. $20 on the king, so this is a $140 spin. All right, we need to start landing those red coins. But that's amazing to get the full block of wilds, all 12 wilds, maximum amount. Bum, 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 bum. All right, do it again. Extra game, all right. And another nice payoff, about $75 there. Horses are 54 and the medallions are 26, 27, something like that. And we got an extra game, all right. Look at that win meter crank up. I haven't had a good win on the Hurricane Horse in a while. I am thrilled with this. Let's keep going. All right, come on, more. Oh no, not a winning. Oh, that spin was a loser. Wow, a complete wasted spin, which is almost impossible. All right, about $60 on this one. We need more extra games. Over 500, it's a big win bonus on the Hurricane Horse. Come on, baby. All right, another nice win. Although it didn't do a big win celebration. Surprise. Oh no, we're down to the last spin though. We need some extra games. Come on, red coins. We only had one coin the whole time. Come on, we need extra games. Come on, extra games. Oh, we got that medallion thing. That is really good. Another $50. I can't believe we only had one red coin the whole time. But this was great. We ended up with the $225 prize from the red pot. And then the ultimate feature paid really well as well. Wish we had a few extra games along the way, but big win bonus, and it's a half jackpot. La 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 la. $647.10 on the Hurricane Horse. That was great. We made that red, green, and blue. All right. Well, I'm going to give it a few more spins. We'll see if something else happens to happen here on Hurricane Horse. Thank you for watching Matt Bailey Plays the Slots. Please subscribe if you're new here. Give my video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Got any big win stories on Hurricane Horse? Let us know. All right. We'll check you next time on Matt Bailey Plays the Slots. Thanks for watching.